Good morning, dear children. Hope all are fit and fine. Don't get panic about COVID 19. Boost your immunity. You have to be more conscious in your studies, right? In the previous class, we have completed some part of the supplement reader, A Triumph of Surgery. Today, we are going to see the remaining part of the story. Take your supplement reader, page number 3, the fourth paragraph. We are going to see the fourth paragraph. Tricky looked down at the noisy path with dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. Tricky was not moving. He is always motionless and lay down with dull eyes. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. The other dogs watched Tricky and they decided that he was an uninteresting object and they ignored him. I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. The narrator made up a bed for Tricky in a warm loose box next to the other dogs slept. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. The doctor didn't give any food for the next 2 days, but he gave him a plenty of water for Tricky. The next. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. At the end of the second day, Tricky started to show some interest in his surroundings, that is the other dog with the other dogs. And the third day, he began to whimper. Here, whimper means to cry in pain when he heard the dogs in the yard. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. When the narrator opened the door, Tricky trotted out means moved out and was immediately engulfed. What is the meaning of engulfed? Surrounded by Joe, the greyhound. Greyhound means a breed of dog and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. The other dogs, rolling him Tricky and thoroughly inspecting him, they moved off the garden. Tricky also followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fur. Now, Tricky also followed him with excess fur. The next, later the day, I was present at feeding time. Later that day, the narrator was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. The doctor watched while Tristan is a co-worker, slopped means spilled the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. There was usual headlong rush followed by the dogs because they want to eat the food very speedily. And also, every dog knew that if they fell behind the others, they were liable means likely to face, to have some competition for the last part of his meal. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. When the other dogs had finished their meals, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, Licking means sweeping the tongue casually inside one or two of them. The next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling in his way towards it. The next day, one more bowl was put out for Tricky, and the doctor was pleased to see him jostling means pulling his way towards it. From then on, his progress was rapid. After that, the progress, that is improvement, was very fast. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. The doctor didn't give any medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day Tricky ran about with the other dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. Scrimmages means fight. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, and squashed every few minutes. Tricky discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped means crushed on, and squashed every few minutes. Squashed means damage. The next, he became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. Tricky became an accepted member of the gang. Gang means group. And unlikely, that is different, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. He didn't meet this occasion in his life. All the while, Mrs. Fumbury hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. Meanwhile, Mrs. Fumbury always called the narrator, that is the doctor, dozen times for the latest news of Tricky. He always called to the doctor. Hover means hung over. Bulletins means news. Then the next, I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Always I dodged, that is, the Mrs. Fumbury asked the questions about his cushions and his correct coat worn according to the weather. But the doctor was able to tell her that the Tricky was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Here convalescing means recovering. The Tricky was recovering very rapidly. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Fumbury. The next, she started to bring round fresh eggs, 24 at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. Mrs. Fumbury started to give fresh eggs, that is 24 at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast, but when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. For this is a happy period for me as well as my partners, because we also use the 2 eggs for the breakfast, and also the bottles of wine began to arrive. The real possibilities of the situation began to dawn means realized on the household. It was to enrich Tricky's blade. The wine and the eggs was given to enrich Tricky's blade. The next, Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Here ceremonial occasion means time for some celebration. Lunch became a time for some celebration with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. Here edge means a fight, constitution means body structure. Then Mrs. Fumbury said the brandy also to put the final effect on Tricky's body structure. For a few nights the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. This was happening for a few nights and they used and inhaled and drank respectfully. They were days of deep content, starting well with extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with brandy. The days were passed with the deep content. Content means satisfaction, deep satisfaction, starting well with the egg in the morning, improved and maintained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Fumbury was suffering and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. It was a temptation means attraction to keep Tricky as a permanent guest, but the doctor knew Mrs. Fumbury was suffering and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone to Mrs. Fumbury and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting for her collection. The next, within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Within no time, Mrs. Fumbury reached there, that is, with the 30 feet of gleaming black metal. Here, black metal, gleaming black metal means black car, drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Fumbury almost lost in the interior. Chauffeur means driver. The driver opened the door and the doctor, could just make out the figure of Mrs. Fumbury because he is inside of the car. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Then Mrs. Fumbury hands were tightly clasped in front of her and her lips trembled. Then he asked about the doctor. Tell me, how was my Tricky? The next, is he really better? Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. Is he really better? Then the doctor replied, yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. The doctor will go and fetch the Tricky. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs were hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. The doctor walked through the house into the garden. A mass means crowd of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst means in the middle, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. The next, in 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in a great bounce, his chest almost brushing the ground. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe. Lithe means flexible, that is, Tricky was flexible, hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack. Stretching. Stretching means spreading out in great. Bounce means jump. His chest almost brushing the ground. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The doctor carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in the tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Fumpery's lap. That is, the driver was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, that is Mrs. Fumpery, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap. Tremendous leap means huge leap, and sailed into Mrs. Fumpery's lap. Sailed means ran fast into Mrs. Fumpery's lap. The next, she gave a startled whoa and then had to defend herself as he swam over her, licking her face and barking. Then Mrs. Fumpery gave a startled whoa and then had to defend. Defend means protect herself as he swam over her, licking her face and barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats and bowls, none of which had been used. During this excitement, the doctor helped the driver to bring out the trickiest things, that is, beds, toys, cushions, coats and bowls. As the car moved away, Mrs. Fumpery leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. Then the car moved away, but Mrs. Fumpery leaned out of the window and tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, she cried, how can I ever thank you? This is the triumph of surgery. Oh, Mr. Harriet, then she cried that, how can I ever thank you, because you saved my Tricky in a very good manner. This is a triumph of surgery. Triumph means victory. Surgery means hospital. Because of your hospital only, you saved my Tricky. So, how can I ever thank you? In such a way, Mrs. Fumpery told about to the doctor. Thank you, children.